Today, we will tour 5104 North 32nd Street, Unit 141 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Enjoy resort-style living in the heart of the Biltmore area of Phoenix. This beautifully upgraded 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom first-floor condo features a split floor plan for added privacy and comfort. Step inside to find neutral two-tone paint, ceiling fans, and wood-look flooring throughout. Located in the gated Biltmore Meridian community, residents enjoy access to a fitness center and a spacious meeting and club room with a full kitchen, perfect for hosting parties or business meetings. The kitchen includes stainless steel appliances, a large pantry for ample storage, and a washer and dryer for everyday convenience. This condo is in an excellent location, just minutes from dining, shopping, entertainment, scenic walking and biking trails, and the world-famous Arizona Biltmore Resort. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. Don't miss your opportunity to live in one of Phoenix's most sought-after areas. Schedule a showing today.